welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I know I haven't been here in quite some time, but I am back for a partnership with MODA brushes, and this time I'm so excited to partner up with them because they are releasing this special kit that is going to be coming out for Black Friday, and I am absolutely ecstatic by this. This is the MODA Totally Electric Kit right here, and it's neon, guys, which is really cool. I know I haven't been here in a while. I haven't uploaded anything, but I am actually active on TikTok and Instagram, so if you want to follow me there, you can, and the username is Tina Zarina. It's still the same. Before I jump into anything, I just wanted to let you know that if you would like a 20% discount, you can also use my code. It's TINAC. So if you go to the MODA website, you can use that and get 20% off. This is what I've used to create this look that you see on my face. So yeah, and this is what the packaging outside looks like. This little compact here is really cool. It has this holographic finish to it, and it's very sleek. I do like it. It's great for traveling, and it also has a zipper, so that is really awesome. So when you open it, all of your brushes, where's my other brush? All of your brushes are neatly compact in here. Again, I've used these brushes to create this look right here that you see, so that's why it's dirty, and I apologize, I don't have an extra one. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and again, they are neatly compact in here, and I feel like that's actually pretty cool. So let's go ahead and jump into the first product in here. So when you look at this brush, it actually has the R and L symbol in there, and this is metal. This little neck here is a metal, and the bristles are really soft, and as you can see, they're actually really nice. So yeah, they're really awesome. The R and L right here with the little crown, it's Royal and Langnickel. So that's the parent company of MODA brushes. And this one has that rubber feel to it. It's actually really nice when you're handling this. It's kind of soft. It almost feels like it has that velvety type feel to it. And then at the bottom here, it has the name of the actual brush. So this one is a round powder brush. So the round powder brush is the perfect brush for buffing and blending to ensure that makeup is seamless. So I like using this for finishing touches or for when I'm setting my makeup. This is perfect for loose powders or compact powders also. So that's really nice for an overall finish for your face. The next brush in here is the Complexion Brush, and this one is more so brush that allows you to work with liquids. This is also great for creams, so if you have any bronzers or blush that is also somewhat of a cream or a cream, this is great for that, and I absolutely love this. And the bristles here are super tight, which makes the product actually sit on top and spreads it really nicely on your face. This also blends the foundation and the cream really nicely on your face, depending on where you would put it. This is really nice for that. Alright, so the next brush in here is actually one of my favorite, and this one is the Angle Brush. And this one is great for applying your contour for your bronzer or for applying your blush on your cheeks. The instruction in this says to carefully apply and blend blush or use to create a soft contour on your cheekbones and jawlines, and that's what I love to do. And the next one is the Highlight and Glow Brush, and this is one of my favorite brushes of all time. I absolutely love this one to apply my highlighters, and I've used the purple one of these many times in my videos. If you look back on my videos, this is my go-to for highlighters because it's so easy to just like apply your highlighter. So this one says highlight and glow, perfectly shaped to apply and precise highlights to the entire face. Alright, so the next one in here is the angle shader, and this is ideal for your eyeshadows but also great for applying your nose contour. So I use this mostly for my nose contour. This is on the bigger side of, you know, brushes, so that's why I like using this for, you know, to create my contour on my nose. And then this one is actually a unique brush, and this one is the Glam Topper. It has a little plastic top in there, which is angled, but it's more like a silicone, so it's not really gonna hurt you if you put like a little pressure on your eyelids. But this is actually great for glitters. So this one is designed to work for glitters. So I know some palettes like Huda Beauty, they have those all glitters in the eyeshadow palette, and this is actually great for that. All right, so the next one in here is one of my favorites again, and this one is the Crease Brush. This brush right here is actually amazing, and I love this because of the shape of it, and it's just that small domed blending brush where you can actually use this to blend your crease, and it does an amazing job with doing that. And it's absolutely soft and it doesn't hurt your eyelids. So this crease brush has long soft filaments that allows for blending darker shades in the crease, giving a more defined eye look. So exactly what I just said. So the next one in here is the small shader brush, and this one is great for packing your eyeshadows in the middle of your eyelids. So this is great for that. It has a great shape and it does an amazing job with doing so. So with this one, this is a brush that features a small paddle shape for a concentrated color and application. Then the next one is your detail brush. This one is what other people call the pencil brush, and the pointed tip on this eye brush is ideal for creating a cut crease and applying eyeshadows or highlighting your inner corner. So what I love to use this for is on the outer area of my eyes to create that darker shadow. I just wanted to let you guys know that there's no rules for these brushes. You can do whatever you want with these brushes, and that's what I do with them. And then your brow and groomer, this one, you can actually use this angled brush right here to apply your cream brows, or you can use this also, this other spoolie here, to just basically clean up a little bit and then brush your eyebrows, and that's what I use this for. And then we also have the smudger. I almost forgot the smudger. So this one is actually really great for smudging your lower liner. That's what I love using this for. And the smudger is the perfect size for applying color on your upper and lower lash line, or to smudge eyeliner for a soft, smoky look. And then the last one in here is the fine liner. So with this one, I love using my gel liner with this, and it does a precise line and it does an amazing job with applying my gel liner. And this one says, get picture perfect eyeliner by using this fine liner with gel or liquid. Alright guys, so that is all of what is in this kit. I absolutely love this kit, and I hope you guys like it as well. And if you decide that you wanted to get this and you want 20% off, my code TINAC is actually good until December 15 for 20%, and then I believe it goes down to like 15 or 10, something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time. Thank you and God bless. Bye.